Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to download your photos and videos from iCloud to your iPhone. The easiest way to do this is by using iCloud Photos. Start by opening Settings on your iPhone and tapping Photos. Next, turn on iCloud Photos if it's not already enabled. Then select Download and Keep Originals. Your iPhone will begin downloading all your photos and videos from iCloud directly into the Photos app. This process can take some time depending on how many photos you have and your internet speed, so you don't need to stay on the screen while it finishes. Just keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and power. Another way to download iCloud Photos is by restoring from an iCloud backup. This method is best if you're setting up a new iPhone or don't mind erasing the current one. To do this, open Settings, go to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase All Content and Settings. After your iPhone restarts, go through the setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. Choose the backup that contains your photos, and your iPhone will begin restoring everything, including your iCloud photos. Once the restore is complete, all your photos and videos will be downloaded to your iPhone. And that's how you download iCloud Photos to your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.